I hate showing my legs. When warm weather arrives, that is the most frequent comment I hear on this channel from women over 40, women over 50, and women over 60. And I get it. As we age, the skin on our legs and upper arms changes. It gets wrinkly and crepey, and we get scars and veins and other things like that that makes our leg skin unsightly. But you will never believe what happens when you apply this right here to your legs for 6 hours. So sit tight, because we are going to talk today about how to fix crepey skin. And at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to make crepey skin disappear for a whole 6 hours. So let's get started. So first, let's talk about what causes crepey skin. You can watch dermatologist videos to give you the whole nitty-gritty about what causes it, but the basics are age, dehydration, sun damage, weight gain, weight loss. But age is the real gist of it. As we age, our skin loses elasticity and it causes our skin to have that crepey look. Step 1, hydrate. Hydration is the key to healthy, supple-looking skin. Our skin is composed of about 64% water, so it's key for us to drink about 8-ounce glasses of water a day. I know we hear that over and over again, and I'm so bad about wanting to drink coffee all day long, but you and I really need to make a pact to do that. Water, water, water. Our skin will thank us for it, because dehydration can make wrinkles more pronounced, not just on our legs, but on our face as well. Drinking those 8-ounce glasses of water a day makes your skin look plump and improves elasticity. Not just will our skin thank us for it, but our overall health in general will thank us as well. Step 2, supplement. In the last video, we talked about there is competing research on whether collagen supplements are beneficial. I have been on prescription minoxidil for 10 months now, and there is a collagen supplement in my oral minoxidil. So in that competing research on collagen, you won't find anything that says collagen hurts you. So I take collagen anyway. I can't say that it helps, but it definitely doesn't hurt. So what I did find in my research is that fish oil does help your skin as well. So let me just read what I found in my research. So fish oil is rich in omega-3 fatty acid, which helps maintain skin's lipid barrier. This locks in moisture and promotes a smoother, healthy appearance. So I've been on fish oil for a long time, and you can definitely see that my skin has a glow to it. Taking both a collagen and fish oil together is believed to improve skin's firmness, hydration, and resilience. So let's try taking a collagen and a fish oil supplement together. But as always, before you take any supplement, consult your primary care physician before you start any diet, exercise, supplementation program. Step 3, exfoliate. There is no point in treating dead skin. It's dead. We want to reveal the living skin underneath it. So let me just show you what I found. So this line by Naturium is designed to help with crepey skin. And this is the KP Body Scrub and Mask. It does have glycolic acid in it, and glycolic acid will help to slough off that top layer of skin and reveal the healthy skin underneath. So use this in the shower, and it has pumice in it as well. So a combination of pumice and glycolic acid. Use it on your legs. Also use it on your arms if you don't like your arm skin as well. Used it the other day. It worked really well. So we want to use this twice a week to get rid of the dead skin and to reveal the healthy skin underneath. That's the skin we want to treat. Step 4, wash. So after we've exfoliated, we want to wash. And let me show you this. This is the next line in the Naturium product line. And it is a glycolic acid body wash. It's 5% glycolic acid. So again, glycolic acid will help to slough off that top layer of skin and help to turn over skin cells so that we can promote the healthier skin underneath. So this one, it wants you to leave it on for like at least a minute. So I turn off the water in the shower. I put this on all over, and then I put my hair conditioner on, and then I go through and lather this up. So that way it's on probably 2 minutes altogether. And then I turn the water back on, wash off my conditioner, and then wash this off. So probably all total, it's on 2 to 3 minutes. It works really well. And I know that it helped turn over some skin cells because my skin was a little bit stingy when I got out of the shower. So I know it worked really well. So glycolic acid body wash, which will help turn over those skin cells. So again, glycolic acid will help reveal softer, smoother skin. Step 5, renew and moisturize. So next we're gonna renew and moisturize with alpha hydroxy acid moisturizer. So let's talk about alpha hydroxy acid for just a minute. It is the powerhouse ingredient to fight crepey skin. Alpha hydroxy acid stimulates the production of collagen and elastin. These are the proteins essential for skin firmness and elasticity. And here's what you need to know about alpha hydroxy acids. Let me read it to you. Regular use of alpha hydroxy acid lotions can visibly reduce fine lines, improve texture, and reveal brighter, more hydrated skin. So the two that I'm going to recommend here, this is from Naturium and this is from Alpha. Now the Naturium is 10% glycolic acid and this one is 12% glycolic acid. So one's a little bit gentler, one's a little bit heavier. It just depends on what your skin can tolerate. My skin can tolerate a little bit more, so I went with the 12%. Neither one of them have any fragrance, so that's good. Neither one of them are sticky. Now, a word to the wise. After you have used these in the shower, my skin was a little bit raw, so I'd exfoliated, I'd used this. You know, after you shave, and then back in the day, that rejuvenate aftershave lotion could make your skin sting. Okay, that's what this felt like going on my skin after that. So if you have not exfoliated, then it's probably okay to use these lotions right after you get out of the shower. But if you have exfoliated, I would not use these lotions right afterwards. I would wait until probably bedtime. I would definitely use these lotions at bedtime. I definitely put them on my hands at bedtime. But they can sting if you freshly exfoliated. Now, another word, the warning labels on these, because you are putting glycolic acid on your skin and it is sloughing off that top layer of skin, it does increase your risk of sunburn. So it is essential that you use sunscreen, and that is our next step. Step 6 is protect. Because we are using glycolic acid on our skin, we have to protect our skin from the sun. So sunscreen, protective sunwear, hats, we have to do that. Because our skin is a little bit sensitive from the glycolic acid, be very careful about using spray-on sunscreen with alcohol. It could burn. So you may want to use a sunscreen lotion, a mineral sunscreen. I found this sunscreen right here and I haven't used it yet. I've ordered it. But is a lotion and sunscreen, a moisturizing lotion and sunscreen combined. I have ordered it, but I haven't used it yet. But definitely consider using a mineral sunscreen or just protective clothing in general. Don't forget to cover your hands. These are areas where people forget and they end up getting sunspots on their hands as well. Step 7, this is the fun part. We have lived a long and full life and we have the scars and veins on our legs to show from it. So there are a couple of ways that we can cover that through bronzer and through self-tanner. With self-tanner, I like Bondi Sands because the color comes out olive rather than orange. I use dark, but you can use medium and light as well, and I'm going to show you me wearing it now, but you can also use bronzer as well. So with self-tanner, this stays on for several days. It gradually fades away and sloughs off, but self-tanner helps to blur the look of crepey skin. And again, it lasts several days. Now with bronzer, this goes on immediately. It is a more even color. And as soon as you're done with it, you just wash it off like it's makeup and that's it. This is by Saint-Tropez. It comes out more of an orange color, but it is a very even color. Even coverage. It looks very natural. This is great for covering up veins and scars. And you know, as soon as you're done with it, you just wash it off. Now, quickly, do not wear either of these with white ever. Well, this one, so the instructions on this one say after you apply it to wash it off after an hour. After you wash it off, the color is not as deep. And after you wash it off, yes, you can wear it with white. Both of these will bleed. After you wash it off, this will not bleed. This will bleed, period, until you wash it off. After you wash the initial application off, you'll have about half the color left, and then you can wear it with any color after that. But if you apply it, don't wash it off, yes, it will bleed onto your clothes. This will bleed onto whatever you're wearing regardless until you wash it off. So just know that. Let's talk about application really quick. This nifty little gadget right here is from Bondi Sands, and it helps you put it on your back if you don't have anybody to help you. And there's two different, here's a sponge and another, so it helps you to put it on here. For both of these, I use a mitt because I just don't like it on my hands. This will help you to keep from getting it on your hands and looking yucky. This is washable, so it helps. Now with Bondi Sands, this is the facial version for your face, and it is a very gradual color. I'm wearing it now. It's just a light color. You can apply it every day, and it's just a tiny light bit of color. It doesn't build. And so it's great for your face. Non-comedogenic, it doesn't break my face out. My face is sensitive skin, and it doesn't break my face out. So I love that for the face as well. So are you ready for that secret that I talked about in the beginning? So this right here, that will cure you of crepey skin for 6 hours. It is this right here. And this is cellulite cream. So Bum Bum is my favorite right now. Dr. Perricone used to make it the best, but it was $90. It was his cold plasma body cream, $90 a jar, and it was amazing. It was worth all $90, but it was still $90. So this is what I use now, Brazilian Bum Bum cream. And caffeine is the active ingredient, and what it does is it puffs out your skin for 4 to 6 hours, depending on the person. And it vastly diminishes the look of crepey skin for about 4 to 6 hours. So if you are wearing a skirt or shorts for more than 6 hours, you might need to put a little bit in a jar and stick it in your purse and reapply it after 4 to 6 hours. You can also put it on your upper arms if you don't like the way your upper arms look. I, at the YouTube event in New York City, saw a really horrible photo of myself where I had like the most horrible turkey skin neck ever. I was horrified when I saw this photo, so I've been using it on my neck recently too, because I can't get that image out of my mind of my turkey skin neck. So yeah, you can use it on your neck too. But it works 4 to 6 hours, and for me, for 6 hours, I do not have crepey skin. I don't have cellulite on the back of my legs for 6 hours. So this is it. This here is about $40 USD. It also comes in smaller versions if you want to just try it out to see how it works. So there you go. 6 hours, no crepey skin, no cellulite. It's caffeine that makes it work. So there you have it. That is how you fix crepey skin for summer. I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. And then also let me hear what you want me to talk about next, whether it's beauty, skincare, makeup. Give me some ideas about what you want me to talk about next. Until we meet again, my friends.